Baka po panaginipan nyo pa po yung mga tanong nyo. No?
Yay, attorney.
Hello, Direk. First of all, congratulations.
Thank you.
On a great film. Hindi ko alam na did. Ano pala yun, disassociative identity
Yeah, it's just an Easter egg, but it can come to mean what you did per se. Pero
So
it's just a nice little Easter egg in there.
Good job. My question for you is, since most of your cast are veterans, parang ensemble sila. Although walang scene masyado na all of them are there. My question is, what was your favorite scene to direct or shoot? And what was the hardest scene to shoot?
Ang hirap naman sagutin yan, attorney.
Well, yung favorite siguro yung kasama mo, kapatid mo.
Sige na nga. Uy, palakpakan niyo pala si JP, yung buhos natin. Nakita niyo naman siya as prop. Naniwala na po kayo. Hindi lang nepotismo. Yan, may talent po tayo. Diba? Yeah, kidding aside, that was fun to shoot, yeah. Ang hirap mag-pick ng favorites, to be honest.
Wala dyan.
Well, sige, ito na lang ako sa second question, yung challenging. Yeah, super challenging. You're right. The rooftop scene, nakita niyo po sa ending. Kasi marami kaming hinahabol dun. Sayang wala dito si Direk Mosey. Kasi a lot of that was his expertise kung paano namin na-pull off yun ng ganun na maayos. We had Tony, we had Mercedes Cabral, we had Majoy. Sayang wala si Mayor Joy Apostol ngayon. And Rap Fernandez, even you, JP, were there. So ang daming characters doon, kailangan silang magkaroon ng tamang moment lahat. Pero yung araw, palubog na. Magic hour po kasi yun, pa-sunset na. So pag dumilim na, wala na kaming chance to do that whole ending. So you saw that whole ending, and we did that scene in just like a matter of, gano'n ko tayo direct dyan? Wala pang 30 minutes? Or about 30 minutes? Nung nakaset up na lahat. Parang gano'n eh. Sobrang saktong pagdilim, tapos na yung eksena. It was like, oh, parang lahat kami parang nakahinga ng maayos. And it was challenging, I think, also for Tony, kasi hindi madaling umarting na mamatay, diba? And everyone was just like, you know, really high on emotion. So, yeah, that was really challenging. And natutuwa ako pag nagkakaroon ako ng chance to direct these veteran actors here na my God, nakakatawa nagkaroon ako ng opportunity to work with them. Yun ding scene nila, Miss Anna, nila, every time they're on the scene, it's like, wow, amazing. It's just such a display of talent. Minsan isang take lang kami, okay na. Ganun. Yun. So yun lang. And of course, you know, the actors here on my right, then these younger actors that really promising talent, and I hope that they have more projects in the future. Diba? Ang galing. So, ayun po, na-enjoy ko po talaga lahat. Ang hirap mag-pick ng favorites, but yeah. Thank you for that question, attorney.
Hi, batchmate.
Hey.
Sorry. Question ko lang, I'm reading a book right now about The Wisdom of Trauma by Gabor Mate. And I was just wondering if you had an idea, was it your purpose to end it in a happy tone? That there's wisdom in trauma? Or were you also thinking na what if negative yung ending? So I wanted to know your intention sa conceptualization process pa lang. Thank you.
My intention there really is to make it to give it a theme pa rin of hope. A feel pa rin of hope. Pero kasi the trajectory of this character, of this really pain character is doomed eh. So parang minsan there are just some sad stories like that na, you know, you really end up hurting yourself. Sometimes even, you know, ending in killing oneself, and it's so sad. And these are topics today na parang ang hirap pag-usapan, you know. When you're very, very traumatized and you have no more will to live any longer. Parang that's just like the best option. And for this character, parang unti-unti siyang nagiging ganun. But meron siyang saving grace kahit papaano. And that's what we wanted to depict, although hindi siya like in your face. You know, I didn't want it to be like a spoon-feeding kind of thing. You know, we just see him at the credits na, oh, nag-survive pala siya somehow. I don't know if that's your takeaway. It's open to interpretation actually. Kaya namin in-end na ganun. If you relate more towards, you know, the negative ending, could be that for you. But if you're a hopeful person, he ended up okay. So, yun yung intention ko doon. Yun lang.
We have another question over here.
You can also ask our cast, friends.
Hello po. This was from us, Take That Face. Hey, Tony, congratulations. Everybody, team, what you did, WYD. Ask na lang pa si Sir Epi, because there's this write-up na you said that you waived your talent fee for the film, and after seeing the wave as in donate.
Donate?
Para TY.
I waved.
After seeing the film, sisingilin mo na ba si Direk?
No.
Can I take it back?
I heard that there's a rumor. I don't waive talent fees. No, what do I say? I love paying it forward. Ever since, I guess there are projects where I will, oy, mahirap gawin to, bayaran mo ako naman, di ba? I mean, compensate me for what I should do. What I should, kung medyo papatalunin mo ako sa tulay, at mababali yung balikat ko, bayaran mo naman ako. Diba? Hindi ko pwedeng i-waive yung, di ba? I mean, I don't waive it. It's just that I pay it forward. Na kung kaya ng production mo na bayaran ako, I mean, bayaran mo naman ako. Pero kung medyo hirap yung production mo, pero naniniwala ako dun sa magdidirect or magpuproduce o yung ginagawa natin, especially student films. Marami akong inuohan sa Mobile Fund dahil meron silang short film. I mean, it's not my first time that I did the free film. The first Cinemalaya, there are two film episode, ang bayad sa akin 1,000 pesos a day. Pero nagpapakain ako sa crew kasi alam ko yung kinakain ng crew, kulang yung half rice na, half ulam pa, di ba? So, kumbaga, papa-Jollibee ako. Alagay mo ako lang kumain ng Jollibee, so bibili ko yung crew. Eh, yung bayad sa akin, 1,000 lang, yung pinayaran ko, 7,000. Ilang araw pa ako dito, 5. Amunado na ako 2 araw agad. So, may mga gano'n. I mean...
Pero hindi dito yung direct epi.
Actually, ito nga, nakakatawa. Kwento ko lang kasi split, di ba? Split personality. Pumapasok ko dito, kita ko si Ping. Kasama ka ba sa pelikulang to, Ping?
Nakalimutan mo.
Hindi ko sabi ni Ping, gago ba ako nito ni Epi? Tapos, tinatanong ako ng media kanina, anong role mo dito? Kabarol ko, ano ginawa ko? Hindi ko talaga maalala. Naalala ko na pinanunood ko. Tinan nyo yung mga pelikula ko, di ba? May Jeffrey Kison, tsaka may Epi Kison.
Ayan na.
Hindi ko alam kung Jeffrey ba to o Epi?
Epi ka dito eh.
Ganon?
Hindi pa yun.
Okay, Jeffrey ako pumasok dyan, tinan mo. So, I guess it's one of those times na medyo, di ba, I'm seeing it and I'm like, wow, thank you that I'm part of it. Kasi maganda yung pelikula. Di ba? Whether may bayad ba ako or wala. Pero tinanggap ko to nang kinukulayan niya yung pelikula ko. Kinukulayan ng Bare Bones at saka ng Jump Cut Experiment ko, which did such a great film for Bukal. You'll watch it soon. We're in the process of closing a deal with someone, so you'll see it soon. They've done a good, they've got a good job with coloring my film. So, nag-usap kami ni Direk doon, sabi niya, gawin mo yung pelikula ko. Oo naman. Pinag-usapan ba natin yung bayad?
Wala pa naman yun si Direk Epi. Like, whatever Direk Epi got paid, and he did get paid, his talent was,
I don't waive my talent.
He doesn't. Pero kung ano man yun, yung binigay niya sobra-sobra pa. Kita niyo naman po, diba? So,
thank you.
Ayun.
Like a follow-up po, Direk John. You mentioned during the press con na the film should have been longer. Diba? So, are there any plans of releasing a director's cut? Maybe if that's theatrical, maybe...
Yeah, there are discussions like that within our team to come up with a version of it with some of the deleted scenes. Alam yan ng cast. Marami kaming mga shoot na eksena na wala na doon. There are plans. Or maybe to release them as separate content because they're also very interesting. So yeah, there are plans. Thank you for asking that. The reason for that is naging mahaba yung journey. In a way, mahaba-haba yung journey nito in development of post-production. We were so privileged that we got chosen for a capacity building and mentorship grant of FDCP and Latino Films France. It's called Full Circle Lab for Scott Lab. So, ang dami namin natutunan doon. Umattend kami ni Beng doon and our producer, Miss Josie. And we learned that we can actually improve storytelling through editing pa. And even editing further. So that's why para kaming nagmina ng diamond in the rough. Tapos lumabas yung diamond nung na-peel away namin yung feeling namin na, ito medyo dito muna to. Not that it wasn't good. But this is the version of it, I think, that tells it so powerfully, the story. Ayun.
Thank you very much. We still have time for one more question? Or
Yes, sir.
a comment? Sa taas. Taas naman siya. Atan. Yung pong roof deck na eksena po, pinakita po talaga nila ako sa hagdan. Kapal lang mukha.
I just wanted to ask my son when he gets. First, I want to tell you guys that it was a great movie, and I'm proud of my son for did a great job. I just wanted to know what you get out of something like this after you finish filming. What's your takeaway like after it's such a pretty heavy film? What did you feel?
I fell in love with both of those characters kasi like when me and Direk were reading the script together and we were doing the workshops, I was telling Direk like, oh, I really like Arvin, like he's such a good guy, like I'm really rooting for this guy. And then as we were filming, I was like, Direk, parang ang cool ni Ace pala, no? Ang dami niyang redeemable qualities. Like the thing is like both those people, they're not perfect, but in their own way, they were really trying their best. So throughout the process, like I really fell in love with both of them. Like I thought both of them had their heart in the right place, but just they're flawed characters, just like all of us. We're all human. And at the end of the movie, I guess my takeaway was that like all of us are going through something, and especially in the pandemic, all of us were going through something that we weren't exactly showing the world. It was embarrassing to show people that we were struggling, whether financially, emotionally, mentally. That's not what we were putting out on social media. That's not what we were telling all of our friends, just because it's not convenient to say. It's embarrassing, you know? No one wants to admit that. And so this movie made me realize that like everyone's going through something, so you just have to be kind.
All
Did that
right.
answer your question, sir?
All right, and as we are about to end our evening, Ms. Joan, do you have any message for everyone?
I think there's
We still have
one more
Oh,
question.
Siyempre, hindi natin pwedeng hindi lapitan post natin yan eh.
Words from all the
Words
cast.
from all the cast.
Yeah. So let's start from Ping.
Thank you so much everyone for coming. Excited na kami na makita to sa mundo. Congrats everyone.
Direct congrats to the rest of the cast. Congrats. Salamat po sa pagpunta nyo and thank you for all the support.
Mahaba na yung sinebas. Thank you guys for watching our film. We hope you guys like it.
Thank you so much for your time and energy na effort na para panoorin itong movie namin. And finally, this is the perfect time, right? So, thank you so much.
Hindi ko na ulitin. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat. I really love the energy of yung sinabi nyo kanina na cinema. So, thank you for going here. So, maraming salamat.
And maybe as a closing, JPG. Yeah.
Galing ko, no?
Sample.
Tony.
May bayad na po eh. Oh, di pwedeng i-wave. No, thank you very much. This is my sister's first baby, first film. Congratulations, ate.
Thank you.
And 2 more films that we'll be doing in the future.
Yes, thank you. Amen. And so I guess I get the last word. So, oh my goodness. Thank you for each and every single person tonight with us. every single member of our production. Kung meron man po ako nakalimutan, I'm so sorry. Rocker, nakalimutan ko ng banggitin. Ano ba yan, Rocker? Yung cam-up namin, palakpakan nyo naman si Rocker Masagka. Nakasama namin yan sa Jomcat from the time we started our company. Kasama namin lagi siya in all our shoots. So, at kasama namin din siya sa pelikula. So, I'm so grateful. Sino ba yung nakalimutan ko? Sana wala na po ako nakalimutan na part ng production. At sa lahat po na nagmamahal sa amin na nandito at nakasuporta. Kahit hindi nyo kami mahal, okay lang. Basta po nagustuhan niyo yung pelikula. And please, ayan, with Miss Josie, please spread the word po about this film. Meron pa po kami up to September 10. So if you have friends, 200 pesos lang po, murang-mura lang, diba? During Sinag, Maynila. Please tell everyone na okay naman po yung pelikula ni Tony Labrusca. Maganda naman. And yun po, thank you very much. Thank you.
We would like to request all of the members of the production to join us and let's have a photo op.
Yeah.
Let's have
Calling
our
for our
picture.
production, all our production na nakarating.